Hey, my face is pink today, and that's not from sunburn. I promise. That's from my screen. My screen is really bright. Right now, it's at the brightest it could be, and everything. My background is pink, so that's why I'm pink. How about we answer some moderator questions? It's been quite some time on this channel. I've not gone to the moderator like I said I would. No, I just typed in my full name on the YouTube search bar. Josh Rock's Guitar Hero Guitar. I'm logged in on the computer at 01, so you can't just click on my videos. I'm going on a cruise next week, actually, so not going to be around. I'm not going to be tweeting, not going to be Facebooking. I'm going on a cruise. I'm going to be totally disconnected from everything. So I'm posting a video this Saturday, and I'm still going to post a video next Saturday. I'm gonna post it, and then I'm gonna use that new feature where I choose when to publish it. So hopefully that thing works, and the new video will go up Saturday. Oh, crap! I need to think of a video idea for next Saturday. I said I'm gonna make a video, so I'm gonna have to make a video. All right, let's see if there's any questions. All these things in the moderator are telling me and Tyler to do stuff. Seriously, guys, come on. Any questions? Do the McDonald's rap at Burger King? Could they? I sneeze. I'm sick. You and Tyler should push Nathan in a stroller, and you be the dad, and Tyler's the mom. No, I'm not pushing Nathan in a stroller. Alright, all these are telling me to do stuff. There's no questions here. No questions. But as I was saying, going on a cruise next week, this coming week. I leave on Sunday. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll film a vlog going onto the plane and stuff. Maybe I'll post that before I leave. We'll see what happens. I don't even know. I'm in summer now, so I don't even know what's going on. I'm doing a video right now. I was filming it today, but then we got like flooding rains here in New Jersey. It's raining everywhere, and I couldn't film outside, so hopefully I get to finish that tomorrow. And then I want to do a new reciting. Hopefully we have time tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll see. We'll see. Leave a comment if you know what I just lipped to you guys. Let's see if you guys can read lips. I'm curious. But that's all for this video. This quick little video. I filmed this today also, so you guys are gonna see something else. And it's my backyard. It's nothing really special, but I'm going to Barnes & Noble now with Nathaniel Jones. We're gonna go read books. Yeah. There's a worm.